everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make all-time favorite KFC style fried chicken. So what do we have here? Let's start. You can get the chicken already cut, or you can buy the whole chicken and you cut it yourself. So what I have here, I have a chicken drums, chicken wings, couple of chicken breast. That's I got it and I cut it myself. Chicken thigh and the wings, and let's put the other drums here. Let's take care of this here after. Close the bag. What we're doing here, we're just gonna tenderize the chicken a little bit. So we're gonna get the muscles. Loosen the muscles in the chicken so the heat can transfer so quick in the chicken faster, to cook faster, and the flavor can go inside the chicken without marinating the chicken. So we don't have to tenderize it like all the way, just like a little bit here to loosen the muscles in both of them. Beautiful, that's it, here we go. Now what we have here, we have put the chicken here, have it ready to go in the flour. I have the regular flour to go in, and here we have to flavor the flour. So what I have here, 2 tablespoons of salt and 4 cups of flour, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And here I have it mixed. I have half a teaspoon cumin, and half a teaspoon cinnamon, and half a teaspoon sage. So that's what we have here. Now let's prepare the egg here. So I have 3 eggs. Voila, nice. And I have half a teaspoon smoked liquid. This is to go with the eggs here. Let's mix it up. Nice, here you go, ready to go. Now I have the regular flour. So the chicken is gonna go from the regular flour into the eggs, then the flavor flour, then into the oil. And the oil, make sure 325, max 350. Don't go over 350 because the batter will burn. So you make sure here your oil on the 350, 325. Here we go. I don't know if you can see that right here, right there, 325, perfect. So let's put our chicken in the regular flour first. Voila. Here we go. So the first coat is just the plain flour. Second coat is the egg washed with the smoked liquid. And third coat is the flavor flour. So let's mix it up here a little bit. Nice, here we go. Now let's start transferring our chicken, and I'm gonna start with the dark meat first, which is chicken drums and the chicken thigh, because they take longer in cooking. So into the egg wash, here we go, and into the flour. Here we go. Now we can do this again, dip it again here in the egg wash, then the flour, but you're gonna end it up with a thick coating, so you don't need this. We need it a little bit thin and stay nice and crunchy. Here we go. Nice, look at this. Second leg. Now we're gonna put the chicken thigh. Plus, we're gonna show you today how to make coleslaw. It's a side dish to go with it. Why not? We have the time. By the time we're waiting, between 10 to 12 minutes, so we can make a side coleslaw. It's a creamy coleslaw. Voila. There we go. One more piece to go. Now in the meantime, while we're waiting for the chicken's been there for 7 minutes, and as I said, between 10 to 12 minutes, so we'll check it out after. And very important to have one of these thermometers so you'll know your oil temperature perfect, so you won't be overheated or underheated. And so we're gonna make the coleslaw. As I said, we're gonna make a creamy coleslaw. So let me bring the bowl here. Have the bowl ready, and I have a white cabbage, green cabbage, I don't know how they call it, but regular cabbage. And let's slice them very thin. Some people, they use the machine. If you feel comfortable with it, go for it. Slicing by hand is fine as well. So white cabbage is about 2 cups. About 2 cups thinly shredded. And about 1/4 cup red cabbage. That's for coloring as well. Beautiful. There we go. Let's check our chicken here, see how they're doing. Oh, amazing, beautiful, nice, nice, nice. Look at this, nice. 2 minutes and good to go. And always when you make a fried chicken, the same time you make it takes you 10 or 12 minutes. Always rest it for 10 to 12 minutes before you eat it. Now I have a cabbage. Now let's see what we have here. I have about half a teaspoon Dijon mustard. I have 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. And I have a small carrot here. We need to add some coloring as well to the coleslaw. Here we go. I have 1 teaspoon of sugar and about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and salt and pepper for taste always. Now we need to mix it up. Don't be afraid to use your hand. Me, I'm using the glove here because you have to massage the coleslaw at the same time. Looking nice. It's a good side dish to go with the fried chicken. All-time favorite, fried chicken KFC style. Perfect. Go. Now our chicken ready to go here. It's been for 12 minutes. Now let's rest our chicken a little bit, and always use a plate, paper towel, or if you have this available at home, use it. So don't put the chicken right straight on the plate because it will turn to really greasy in the middle, in the bottom. Beautiful. Look at this here. You see that? See that? Nice. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. There we go. And this is always the chicken the drumstick. If you're not too sure about it, always stick your thermometer in between the bone and the meat, halfway down, and check the temperature. As soon as your temperature reach 73, you're good to go. Perfect, fully cooked. Your white meat good to go, cook as well. And here it reached nice 74. Perfect. We're not gonna ask more than that. Voila. So in 12 minutes, check your chicken. If it needs a little bit, if it didn't reach the 74 Celsius, put it back a little bit, wait a little bit longer, and make sure always you have thermometer available so you can check the temperature of your chicken so you don't make a mistake and serve undercooked chicken. Now let's plate our food here. Voila. You come back here. What do we have? Let's bring our plates. Nice, here we go. Let's start with the coleslaw. Yummy and make me hungry already. Lovely. Let's put our chicken. Nice, look at this, isn't that nice? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here we go. And the white and the wings. Voila! Very nice, very nice. Look at this, nice. So what we have here, we have crispy savory flavor from the outside and smoky flavor inside the chicken. Awesome, can't wait to start with it. So enjoy your meal and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll take care and we'll see you later. Thank you.